Hello everyone, today we are going to go through counting sort, which is a problem under sorting section of algorithm on Hackerrank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So in this problem we are supposed to go through the counting sort, which is a problem that involves performing the sort of an array using big of ln log of n. So you may be wonder how you can achieve that, right? We have been going through the counting sort, we have been going through the insertion sort, we have been going through the quick sort. Now it is the time of counting sort. In this one, we are going to understand exactly how the counting sort is working and what are the conditions that need to be taken in consideration before applying the counting sort, and at the end we are going to implement the solution of this problem. So the first thing is, what is the counting sort about? So I will not read this. We are aware of the previous sorting, like the comparison sorting, the quick sort, and then the insertion sort. We are aware of those. The counting sort is based on the fact that we are aware of the biggest element of the array. So take it this way. Let's assume that you have an array like this, and then you are aware of the fact that the biggest element of the array is actually 3. From that point, you are sure that the elements are moving from 0 to 3. And then if elements are moving from 0 to 3, you can actually count the occurrence of each of the elements, and at the end create a new array based on the occurrence of each element. So that is the idea of the counting sort. In this problem, we are not even supposed to implement the full counting sort. We are just supposed to implement the first part, which is just counting the number of occurrence. We are not regenerating the new array. So what would be our approach of doing this? We are going to create an array which will have the size of the initial array, and from that array, from that our empty array, we are going to loop through this array and increment the occurrence of each element we are going to see while moving. So the implementation will look like this. So we will first of all create our vector of int that we call count. So it needs to have the array.size. All of the elements should be 0, and then now I should go so for each of the element I should say count of e plus plus. So what am I saying? I'm saying that the element at position e should increment the value. Let us submit and see what it gives. Oh, we have an error. So less of array size. Oh, so here we need to return count. Let us submit and see what it gives. We have everything green. Let us submit. So here we have an error. Where are the error coming from? So we are doing everything great, but we are not respecting one condition. So you can see here in the note, for this exercise, always return a frequency array with 100 elements. So to achieve that, we are not supposed to return this array. Instead, we are supposed to return 100 here. Let us submit. Now we have everything green. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section if you want us to interact regarding this. Stay tuned for the next video. Ciao.